Quickly, who wants to talk about? Today's our last day here.
Video. That's what I want to see. The James Bond part.
You know what I mean?
We still have 2 more nights.
35 times optical zoom. This thing's great. Let's do it. Let's do it for Trevor. We'll read it for
Silly by the
Trevor.
Sea. Trevor, you're missing out on Silly by the Sea.
I think Scott has to read it.
But
No.
Scott already read it, and you'll be able to see it on Amy's camera because we just had a Silly by the Sea before we ate our after we ate our wonderful supper.
Rachel, you're the cutest thing in the world.
So check in on that because I think you'd enjoy it. Remember, don't be silly.
By the sea.
Be safe. That's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember those tips tomorrow.
We'll remember them tomorrow, and maybe you know what? You take that time.
Give them a sample.
Are you still videotaping? Yeah.
Yep.
Sampler. There you go. Right there. Just zoom on that. Rushing causes accidents. That's your preview there, bud. Check in that.
Are you eating breakfast?
No, man. Please
Wow.
food.
Okay. So now, Trevor. Now it's just me and you time, babe. What's going on is